Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you create and send red packets from your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet application. And now after opening the Bitget wallet, you will get to see this option of more. Just simply tap into more option, and after tapping into the more option, you will get to see this red packet option directly into earn section. Tap to red packet, and after that you have to select this send option at very first, and after selecting send you will get this chain to select. I have selected BNB for now, and let's leave it for now. You can just simply select the chain or the network, and you have to select the amount that you would like to spend for the red packet. Now you have to select the amount of recipient, which I'm selecting 2, and after that you can wish something or make a wish into this section. It will be default as best wishes if you don't touch this part. And after doing this, if you have enough balance, you can just simply tap to generate and create the red packet and send it. This way you can very easily create and send red packets from Bitget wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.